Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint tutorial how to gradient. So for example, I will create rectangle, click on brush and then choose the rectangle option. I will create rectangle in this canvas. Now if you want to create gradient inside the rectangles, you can use magic wand to select inside and then go to filter tools. You can scroll and I will use this parallel gradation. It will be automatically create a gradient. So you can change in it for the wavelength, and this is for the angle, this is for the phase. You can scroll down here, you can set for the contrast, or another you can change the color by clicking at this option. I will set it to green, blue, or you can choose another. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to gradient. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.